Still on security, it will be exactly 1 year this Tuesday, 3rd December 2024, since the tragic drone Misfire incident which happened in Tudun, Biri village. Promises were made to rebuild and provide other social amenities for the victims. 1 year after, have these promises been kept? Muhammad Umar Ajingi investigates.
Just a year ago, a drone misfire shattered lives, leaving nearly every household mourning in this community of Tudunburi. The scars of that day seemed impossible to heal. But today the story is different. The government has kept its promises, turning despair into progress.
Actually, we are happy about it. And also I can say there's so many things across that we can say achievement about this building, because even people around in there try to come to the village right now.
One of the major agenda of our government is to ensure that we protect the lives and properties of our people. Here we are in Tudunburi after exactly a year, and I can assure you, we will continue to stand with the people of Tudunburi. As we are speaking, I'm also pursuing the federal government, particularly the military, to ensure that justice is done.
Tudunburi community is witnessing a new dawn of hope and happiness as most of the interventions are opening up more opportunities, transforming the environment and uplifting the lives of the people, as most of their old houses are giving way for brand new ones behind there.
This is a 6-kilometer asphalt road from the airport to Tudunburi. In the next 4 months, by the grace of God, we will be coming back to commission this 6-kilometer asphalt road to Tudunburi.
The people, once shrouded in grief, are now shared with unstrained joy. In Kaduna,